Hello, today I'll be showing you a wireless redstone station. Um, let's test it out. Let's just put in station 2, 1. Station 2, 1. Un, dos, yada yada yada. We wait a bit. 1, 2. They should come out in 2, 2. Takes a while until this clock runs out, and we should be teleported to station 2. Hope, I pray, I believe. Yeah, okay, it's station 3. I pressed in 1 too many times. Well, it works. The way it works is there's a wireless redstone receiver, and every time a pulse comes through, it converts the pulse into signal strength, then checks if the signal strength matches the signal strength of this electron, and it moves this target block over, and then the next few signals that come in increase this signal strength, and it goes up to 15 as well. So you put in 2 and between 1 to 15, and if you press, for example, 15 times, you're pressing 2 times, you get out of station 2, 15. So you're probably wondering, oh, what the fuck, how does the wireless redstone work? It's based upon the item age, like item face. And yeah, Cubic Meter made a video about this. So basically what's happening is you have 2 items that fall down, and they fall down in a certain specific order. Like, they get picked up in a different order. You can see this piston fires first, and then this. And you can see that the signal goes through first, and then this one. And only if they both activate at the same time, this piston like moves up, and the signal gets through. And you can change like how the item gets picked up, like the order that the item gets picked up in a tick, by putting out items in the same tick, you know? So you're like moving the face of this item, basically. Yeah. How do you wanna do it? You want to have 2 receivers, like 2 receivers for 2 centers, and if you only have 1 receiver, like let's say, for example, you don't have 2 of those lime modules and just 1, then you need to increase the like sender amount. So see, this is only 2 senders, 2 items that get spit out, and you always want 4. So it's 1, and if this didn't exist, 2, 3, 4, basically. Yeah. If you want to have more, like this only has 2, like 4 stations in total, you want to have something like this, like you'd increase the tick delay. So see how this is 2, 1, 1, this is 3, 1, 1, and you want to have 4, 1, 1 twice. You probably know that 15 isn't cleanly dividable through 2, so you'd have 7.5, and because we can't do 7.5, you need to have 14 of those, like of those double channels, and at the last 15th channel you want to have this, like 3 of those. Yeah. But this is pretty much it. Yeah. I mean, there isn't much more to explain, to be honest. I could show it here, maybe manually, how the station itself works, because the wireless redstone here is, to be honest, the actual magic. The rest is just because I thought of, where could you apply like wireless redstone, and I just thought of Ender Pearl station. Yeah. So let's say we get, this is I think station 1. Yeah, station 1. So if we get one signal through, yep, this gets moved over before this piston fires, so we have an active station right now. And then if we put in, I don't know, 1, 2, oops, 1, 2, 3, we have stored the signal strength 3 here, and then we should get a signal like through it too, and then this should move. Yeah, that's the gist of it. And basically, if you put in another number than 1, because this is station 1, let's say we put in station 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you'd see, whoppa, this deactivates. Yeah. I haven't built a proper sender module because I was too lazy and I didn't want to continue on this project. But yeah, there is a better way to do this, probably. I mean, this was just for testing purposes, to be honest, because I was bored. But you can do this pretty much. Like this is the redstone receiver module. Do I have anything else to say? Yeah, there is something. If you have more than 15 stations, for some reason, and you aren't using mine, like my design for like signal strength, blah blah blah, and you have a proper binary counter or something, you might need to increase the repeater like amount. So instead of having 2 1 1, you have 2 1 1 1. Yeah, so it's 2 1 1 1, and then the next channel would be 3 1 1 1, 4 1 1 1, etc. etc. Yep, but that's pretty much it. I think this was the second video I'm actually talking to the mic. But if you watched until now, thank you for watching. Maybe subscribe and comment banana in the comment section. Thank you very much. Bye.